In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to fix red eyes in Photoshop using the most efficient and professional techniques available today. We've all been there. You capture a perfect moment with your camera, but because of the flash hitting the retina at just the right angle, your subject ends up with glowing red eyes that can totally ruin an otherwise beautiful portrait. Fortunately, Adobe Photoshop has a dedicated built-in tool specifically designed to handle this exact problem in just a matter of seconds. In this comprehensive 2026 guide, I will walk you through the entire process from start to finish, ensuring you understand not just how to click a button, but how to refine the results for a natural, professional look. If you find this tutorial helpful and it saves your photos from the trash bin, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more high-quality software tutorials. Let's dive straight into the software and get started. First, we need to bring our image into the workspace. Go to the top menu and select File, then click on Open. Navigate through your computer's folders, select the photograph that needs the correction, and hit Open again. Once your image is loaded, you might want to zoom in on the eyes to see exactly what you are working with. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and the plus key on your keyboard for Windows or Command and plus for Mac users. Now that we have a clear view of the red eye effect, we need to locate the specific tool for the job. On the left-hand side of your screen is the Tools panel. Look for the grouping that usually contains the Spot Healing Brush or the Patch tool. You can quickly access this group by pressing the letter J on your keyboard, which is the universal shortcut for these healing tools. Once the menu expands, you want to specifically choose the Red Eye tool. It is usually located at the very bottom of that specific tool list and looks like a small eye with a plus sign next to it. After you have the Red Eye tool selected, move your cursor over to the image and hover directly over the red part of the pupil. All you need to do is click once directly on that red glare. Photoshop's advanced algorithms will instantly analyze the pixels and desaturate the red while darkening the pupil area to match a natural human eye. If the effect doesn't look quite right on the first try, don't worry. There are settings at the top we can adjust. Look at the options bar at the top of the interface. You will see two main sliders, pupil size and darken amount. The pupil size slider determines how wide of an area the tool will affect. If the red reflection is large, you might want to increase this percentage. If it's just a tiny speck, keep it lower to avoid darkening the iris. The darken amount slider controls how deep the black across the pupil will be. If the resulting fix looks too gray or washed out, increase the darken amount to give it that deep, natural black finish. Try experimenting with these values and then clicking the eye again until you achieve a result that looks indistinguishable from a photo taken without a flash. This tool is incredibly powerful because it doesn't just paint black over the eye, it intelligently replaces the red channel information while preserving the natural catchlights and reflections that make an eye look alive. Once you have corrected both eyes, zoom out to see the full portrait and ensure the balance looks correct. It is always a good idea to toggle your layers or use the history panel to see a before and after comparison. You will be amazed at how such a simple fix can dramatically improve the professional quality of your photography. This method works perfectly for human subjects and can often be used for pets too, though animals sometimes have different colored reflections that might require additional manual desaturation. Now that you have successfully fixed the red eye, you can go ahead and save your project by going to File and then Save As, ensuring you don't overwrite your original file just in case you want to go back to it later. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Fixing red eyes in Photoshop is a fundamental skill that every photo editor should have in their toolkit, and I hope this guide made it clear and easy for you to follow. If this video helped you out today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into Adobe Creative Cloud and other essential software. We are dedicated to bringing you the most up-to-date guides to help you master your digital workflow. If you have any questions, or if there's another Photoshop tool you want us to cover, drop a comment down below and we will do our best to help you out. See you in the next video.